Joe here with the RideShare Guy, and today we're going to review a device that could possibly save your life. And be sure to stick around to the end because we'll be doing a giveaway of 3 of these. And the device that we're reviewing is the Car and Driver CoPilot. It's a fatigue and distracted driving monitor. It detects and corrects unsafe behavior while driving with the algorithmically driven active monitoring system. It identifies when you take your eyes off the road and analyzes your blinking and pupil movement to prevent you from falling asleep. It also has infrared LEDs, so it works at night as well. And it also has built-in GPS, so it only activates when your car is in motion to prevent false alarms. And it's available for $200 at Best Buy. Alright, so I just got done giving it a try. It works as intended. If I take my eyes off the road or if my eyes were closing, it would alert me to that activity.
Please watch the road ahead. Please watch the road ahead.
Now, there are some annoying things. So every time I took a turn, it would alert me. Every time you take a turn, you do take your eyes off the road a little bit to anticipate what may be coming at you for that turn. And to be alerted every single time you make a turn is annoying, for sure.
Please watch the road ahead. Please watch the road ahead.
Now, another thing, you do have to mount it on the windshield directly in front of you, so it's in your field of view all the time. And I found myself kind of getting motion sickness by having that there. I don't know if I would get used to it over time, but I did feel some kind of motion sickness because it was directly in my field of view, something that was directly in my field of view that wasn't moving, that was stationary in my vehicle. I also feel there's a missed opportunity with this. It's a standalone device. It's just a monitoring system. I feel like they should have included a dash cam along with it. For me personally, I would not buy this device. It's a standalone device. It costs $200. It doesn't have a dash cam, but I am a daytime rideshare driver, so it's probably not targeted at someone like myself. It's targeted at a nighttime driver or possibly a truck driver. This is a device that could potentially, again, save your life. Now, as far as the giveaway, we have 3 units to give away. Car and Driver sent us these units free of charge, so thank you to Car and Driver for sending them to us. And in order to qualify for the giveaway, make sure you subscribe to our channel, make sure to like this video, and also leave a comment below and let us know what you think of this device. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.